You two family, what's going on with y'all, man? We back in full effect, man. Hey, it's been an interesting and enjoying type of last couple days, man. Your boy has been out and about, man, running around. If you guys know, or y'all guys linked up with me, you know what I'm saying? I was out in Orlando. Big shout out to KFYS Joe. I do have a dope, when I say dope, man, it's a dope vlog coming from that time that I had out there, man. Big shout out to everybody that I ran into from the family. Hey, shout out to y'all, man. Hey, nothing but positive vibes, man. So I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all for showing y'all support to your boy, man. Today we got a special one for y'all, man. We got 2 shoes that we gonna unbox, man. Like I said, I've been out and about, so I haven't had time to get to these shoes, but hey, I'm gonna show them with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So we about to check these out. Before we do it, this is y'all first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man. Hey, glad to have y'all. We would love for y'all to stick around. And how you do that? You smash that subscribe button, man. Be a part of the road to 100K, man. But other than that, let's check out these unboxings, man. And let me put something in front of that unboxing. Hype beast unboxing, because your boy Jay is a hype beast, man. Let's get to it, man. Oh, I'm gonna drop it. Appreciate it, neighborhood. Appreciate it. Bang. Okay, this first box comes behalf of the homie Neighborhood Kicks, man. He is the one. What shoe did I get from him? I got so much heat. Okay, I got my MCAs. My MCA Off-White Air Force Ones. I got those from him, as well as a couple other shoes that I will be showing to y'all in a second. But before we get into this, hold on, let me grab, look. Y'all see what's going on, right? Oh, y'all see what's going on. Thumbnail. Anyway, we got that. But look, we got double unboxings coming for y'all, man. Let me set these to the side real quick. I know we said we was about to get into it, but before I get into those boxes, your boy recently picked up, bang, these joints right here. They came out last week. I haven't hit y'all with a review on feed. If y'all follow me on the gram, y'all did know that I picked these up. But let me know, do y'all want to see a review to these? It won't be an on feet because this ain't my size, but I did pick them up. Let me know if y'all want to see a review down below in the comment box. If enough of y'all tell me yes, I'll do a quick review of them. But like I said, no on feet because this isn't my size. I got them for the wifey, but my wifey does have the Lady May 6s, so very similar in color. She said she don't need them, which I don't blame her. So let me know if y'all want to see these, man. And speaking of the homie Neighborhood Kicks, who I just mentioned prior to this, he also blessed your boy with something else, man. You was just over there. Appreciate you though, bro. Appreciate you moving around. Bang, man. So you see the orange Nike box, man. This is crazy. Your boy got these for free. Like, I won these off of a raffle, man. He had a raffle. He had all the names of the people who had shopped with him in the last couple weeks. He put it on a wheel, and my name got selected, man. God bless, man. And I'm a person who don't win anything, man. So, hey, big shout out to Neighborhood's raffle, you know what I'm saying, for selecting your boy and letting me get these for the free ski, man. Hey, it's a blessing, bro. Blessing, bro. But your boy does have these. I ain't even gonna read the title, man. I'm gonna just show y'all these real quick so we can get to the unboxing, because this is gonna be a long video of just a whole bunch of shoes that your boy picked up recently. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all already seen these shoes. But yo, man, your boy got these for the free ski, man. So big shout out to Neighborhood Kicks, man. I truly appreciate him, bro. Like, no cap, man. But what did your boy get for the free? Woo, woo, bang! The Nike, what is it, Vapor Waffle in the tan and navy colorway, man. Look, your boy hit these off of that raffle, man, like crazy, like so unexpected, man. I got these for the free ski, man. So your boy did add these to the collection. I will be throwing them on feet. Like, no, I will not be selling them or nothing like that, because you know, when you win something and somebody gives you something for the free, man, you gotta cherish it, man. To me, it's disrespectful. If I were to get rid of these shoes or anything, it wouldn't feel right, you know what I'm saying? So your boy will be putting these on feet. I might do a quick, like when I say quick, it's gonna be a quick video. It might be like a 6-minute video. It might be longer than 6, because there's a lot going on with this shoe, man. But the Nike Vapor Waffles in that tan and navy colorway, man, your boy did win on Neighborhood Kicks raffle, man. So blessing, bro. For a guy that who don't win nothing ever, man, this is everything, man. But your boy did pick these up, man. Like I said, man, it's been a lot of pickups I haven't showed y'all, but I will probably do a quick review of those shoes. But let's get back onto track with the unboxing, man. The first one, let's get it. There we go. Bang! Here we go again, man. Let me grab my knife wherever it's at, pop this open real quick, and show y'all the first Hypebeast unboxing that your boy got. Like, and shout out, I can't say that enough, man. Shout out to Neighborhood for blessing me with these, because the price, bro, the price that he gave me these for, no brainer, man. No brainer. I said yes, I will take them. I will take them. It wasn't like a ridiculously crazy price to make me question it or anything. Although I do know, you know, what's going on with Neighborhood, but you know, it was better than what I could have got it for if I went to GOAT, StockX, or anywhere else like that. This is the cheapest price I've seen it. So this is taped up real good. All right, there we go. We in it. We in it. Okay. Unboxing number one, man. Like I said, I ain't gonna waste too much time because y'all be tripping on me about taking forever showing y'all these shoes. Y'all be in a rush. But whoa, he got it. He got it in here secured. Whew. Hey. Okay. We got one out. We got it out. Bang! Y'all can see through that bubble wrap. You do have a purple SB box right here, man. Right here. So y'all already know what this is, man. No need to guess. Y'all don't know what shoe it is, but y'all know what type of shoe it is. Size tag on this one reads Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS. So this is a quick strike, man. Let me go ahead and get up close with y'all, show y'all what's going on. I don't know why they didn't have the lid this way so I can open it like this, but some strange reason they got it like right here. So we gonna pop this open. Popping it open, you get a little lot number right there on the side, a little green lot number. No stickers or anything, but take a look at that paper, man. Does that paper give it away? Does it show? I don't think it's showing. Yeah, you can kind of see it, man. You see what that paper says a little bit. You do have little writings of Supreme on that paper. Hold on, let me put it this way. Y'all can probably see it better this way. You got Nike and Supreme right there, as you can see. Nike and Supreme going all throughout this paper. But anyway, man, that's the paper. Y'all ain't trying to see that, man. What your boy picked up, got from the homie Neighborhood is bang! The Nike SB Dunk Low Supremes in that green colorway, man. So yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Look, another Hypebeast pickup for your boy, man. My collection is filled with nothing but Hypebeast shoes, because your boy is a Hypebeast, man. But hey, check it out, man. It does have that beautiful lime green colorway on it, man. And this is a dope looking shoe, man. I don't know when I will eventually wear these, but I do have a perfect tee to go with them, man. Check it out right there, man. Your boy does have that JTSGX Sneaker Match tees swap tee to go with it. I will end up, I'm gonna probably go ahead and get that in my possession, and I will probably throw them on feet with that tee, show y'all how that looks. But very dope Nike SB Dunk, man, collab shoe. You got that world famous Supreme hang tag on it. You do got your Supreme branding right there on that lace lock right there on that bottom. Not really lace lock, but it's like a lace, whatever that is, a lace tab, or I don't know, but got that gold Nike right there, shiny gold right there on the top of that tongue. Nice hit of Nike gold on the back, and you do got that snake, man, like that snake or alligator. That's alligator, I don't want to say snake, but reptile, you know what I'm saying? That reptile looking skin of the leather on it, man. Like, this is just a dope shoe, man. And of course you got your stars going all throughout the side panel of it, man. So yes, your boy got the SB Dunk in the green colors, the Supreme joints, man. So these are now in the collection, man. Like I said, I will hit y'all with probably something quick, a quick on feet, you know what I'm saying, with that shirt as soon as it comes in. Inside got that Supreme and Nike SB logo branded inside of it, man. So this is shoe number one, man. Y'all like, dang, bro, already? This is shoe number one. What you got for number two? Hey, man. Got that nice new shoe smell to it, man. But that's number one, man, the SB Dunk Supreme. Let's get into Hypebeast unboxing number two, man. Let's get it. Oh gosh, dang, appreciate y'all. UPS and GOAT. Bang. Okay, this one comes behalf of GOAT, man, you know what I'm saying? And it's crazy, but your boy got these at the right time because the prices of this shoe have went up tremendously. Like, it was about 2 to 3 days before they released. I caught them on GOAT, and that's been the cheapest price I have seen them at, and it was a couple days before they released. Since then, the prices went up about $300-400 from what I paid for it, man. So I, in my opinion, got these for a steal compared to what they going for right now. And hey, I ain't mad at it, man. It's a lot of times where I take losses. I buy shoes too early, too late, or whatever the case is. I don't know, but I feel like it was perfect timing on this one because these prices have went up crazy, man. But opening up box number two. Box number two, what do you know? What do you know? another one. But this time you get that colorful Nike SB on the front of this shoe, man. So we do got another SB, man. Size tag, we ain't gonna show it right now. I'll show y'all at the end of the video so y'all don't be saying nothing. But anyways, taking a look at that box, you get that SB colorful box, man. Open it up, what we got on the inside. Oh, we got GOAT stuff falling out. Okay, of course you got your GOAT verification stuff. That black card that we normally have been getting as of late. Anything else in there? Yep, we do got a GOAT sticker that comes with it. You do got lot number right there on the box. You do got your SB, that wooden type pattern on that paper. And when we remove that paper, what do we have? Bang! We got the Nike SB low. What the pause, man? Yes, man. Got these joints for a good price, man. I think I paid around, like, it might have been like right at 700 or 6 something. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, man. Like, and these are close to 1,000 right now in a size 9. So it might have been 6 something. If I can put that price, I will put it up. But bang, here they go, man. This is the left shoe. As you know, if you know, your What the Pause is like a what the thing, where there's a whole bunch of different shoes compiled into 2 different sneakers themselves, like, you know what I'm saying? And this is the left shoe. Let me set that back there real quick. Look at all that heat, man. Look at all that heat back there. But bang, that is the right shoe, as you can see. And as I did tell y'all, I want to show y'all the boxes real quick. I just wanted to show y'all the shoe, reveal the shoe before I showed y'all the sizing label, whatever you want to call that. But that is the label on the What the Pause. And let me show y'all the label for the Supremes. Bang, right there. That is the label for the Supremes right there. So check that out. That's both labels. I just didn't want to show them at first and spoil what I was going to be showing y'all. But hey, man, check them out, man. The What the Pause right here. Got them on deck. As I said, I got these for what I want to say is a steal, bro. I got these for a steal. You know, so hey, your boy got these on deck. Big shout out to Neighborhood Kicks for the Supreme, the green Supreme dunks. Fire shoes in my opinion. And GOAT, man, I got these for a steal early. I bought these at the right time, man. So check out all this heat, all this hype beast heat, because it's technically not heat, because some people might be like both these shoes are trash, but hey, it's hype beast heat, man. But take a look right there, man. That's your boy's 2 unboxings. I had to come back with a banger, you feel me? Your boy has been gone. I had to come back with a banger. I got some more heat on the way. Like I said, the next video might be that KFYS Kicks for Your Soul vlog, which is dope, man. Make sure y'all tap into that video. It's gonna be a dope one. But after that, we probably gonna hit y'all with the Jordan 1 faded reviews and on feet, all that good stuff. But follow me on the gram if you ain't follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter, all that stuff. We got these 2 hype beast shoes. Let me know which one y'all want to see first. Which one y'all want me to throw on feet first. Let me know. And I might have some merch coming for this one, man. What y'all think? I might have to do some merch for this, because it's a whole lot going on. But anyways, man, that is it for this one. Whoo, got him. Hey, collection going hype beast crazy. But hey, to my next one, your boy Jay the Hype Beast. Jay the Hype Beast is gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.